Hello everyone and welcome to today's class. Hope you are enjoying. Please keep supporting me with your like, share and subscribe. That's the only way you can help me. So today we are here for data cleaning using R. So our first step, like I always say, after you import your data, we already talked about that in the last previous video. So the first thing you are going to do is to library your tidyverse. So this tidyverse will really help us in so many ways in this cleaning of data. So in library your tidyverse is there. Now the data that I use, this Star Wars, it comes with tidyverse. Do you understand? So it has so many expressions that we can use to work this Star Wars for cleaning of data. So this okay run. So see, this all the variable that's in in the star wall. You can see it. Name, height, mass, hair color, skin color, eye color, bright, birth year, sex, gender, homeland, and so on, fame, vehicle, starship, so and so on. So this was contained in Star Wars. Now, so let's go. We want to select some variable. So the command we are going to use is what? Select. Like this piping. Star Wars piping. This piping you can also use command like Control Shift M. Control Shift M. Once you install your tidyverse, Control Shift M will work on your studio. So Control Shift M, select your then name. All what we need here, we need name, height, hair color, and sex. This is what we want to use as a sample. So you can, if you want to try your own, you can select any one of these. It's still going to work. So, so you select set name, sex, hair color, and height. So let me clean this one first because I will have to explain this later. So then you now run it. You see, this all was in it. You have select. This piping means like you just sieve something, like when you want to sieve stone from water, or you understand. So if you put it on the sieve, the water will come down, then it will stop the stone going down. So this style piping, we just select. We allow us to select only these three variable, only these three variable uh, from our Star Wars as our file. So once you want to select some particular variable in your file, just use select command. You understand? Pipe into select command. So now if I want to view it, Control Shift N, then you now say view. You come to the one with utility. Utils. Then you run. See, see the way you bring it. You see this one is more clean or more attractive than this one. You understand? So we go for this one. Then the next step, you want to know the type of data you have there. So the type of data, so Star Wars, you use glimpse. So the function of glimpse to know the variable you have. Do you get it? So let's go. Glimpse for air color. Let me clear this here. Control L. So I've always told you if you want to clear your console, you use Control L. So you see this glimpse shows what is in the hair color: blonde, hair, non brown, brown, gray, you understand, and so on. This one will list all the all variable that is in the hair color, each hair color. Do you understand? In each observation. Do you get it? So let's check sex. So male, none, male, female. You get it? So that's all. That's how it's going to show it. So let's check our unique. Unique list is almost the same thing as glimpse, but the only difference is that unique will just pick one male, one female, one none, one whatever you have. Unlike glimpse that will list everything, it will repeat male like 3 or 4 times. So let me show you what I'm trying to say now. You see? Hair and the unique blonde will show you each and you just bring only one character, only one observer that is there. Blonde, we have blonde there, we have black, we have this, we have NA, we have none, we have unknown. Do you understand? From there you know what you do. So this is, let's check for the sex too. You see male, non, female, hermaphroditic, hermaphrodite, hermaphrodite, and NA. Do you understand? So this is can also check for any other thing. Is it height? If you said we should check for name to be very long. Height. Okay, sorry. Height. See, let's run it. All the single because this one is figure, so all the figure that's come. Maybe we have 172 like 3 times, but we only pick one. So we have NA2. So this is it. This is how we do about this one. So filter. In this filter, so the function of filter is what? To select what we need. Since we have already know all the observed value that is here, so we now select what we need. Like in the hair color, let's say we need uh, in the hair color we need black and brown. Do you understand? We put it there. So sex, in the sex we need what? We need male and female. That's what we want to work on. So we filter it here. Star Wars, piping to select name, all these piping, then filter. Sex, this, yeah, use this. This one means all. Do you understand? This one means all in the R command. So concatenate male or female. Do you understand? For the hair color too, for the hair color or concatenate black or brown. So we have already tell the house to only bring out the one that have black or brown. You understand? Then we now say piping view. You understand? So let me remove this view first and let us run it. You see it here. So if I put in view, back, then view. So you see, only bring all these brown, black, nothing like any other variable like before, only black and brown, male and female. So let's, in the next part, we'll talk about filter and some little things there. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please like and share. That's the only way you can.